Weekend breakfasts deserve better than a cramped skillet. If you're hunting for the best electric griddle for pancakes, the right pick turns chaos into a smooth, golden brown morning routine. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Chefman XL Electric Griddle. Family breakfasts get a serious upgrade with this 10 by 20 inch cooking surface, which gives you enough room to flip a full batch of pancakes alongside bacon and eggs without playing musical chairs with your spatula. The temperature dial spans 200 to 420 degrees Fahrenheit, so you're not locked into one setting. Drop it low to keep food warm for a crowd, or crank it up when you need a proper sear on something heartier than flapjacks. That flexibility is what separates a decent griddle from one you'll actually reach for on a random Tuesday. A built-in drip tray pulls excess grease away from your food, which means lighter meals without babysitting a paper towel. The non-stick surface plays nicely with pancake batter especially, releasing cakes cleanly without the tearing or sticking that ruins presentation. Cleanup won't have you groaning either, since the whole cooking plate is dishwasher safe once you detach the temperature control unit. For anyone hosting holiday brunches or feeding a house full of hungry kids, the extra-large footprint genuinely earns its keep on the counter. It's not the most compact option, so smaller kitchens might find it a bit bulky to store, and it doesn't offer the removable handle trick some Ravels use for tight cabinet spaces. Still, for straightforward, no-fuss pancake batches and general breakfast duty, this griddle delivers consistent results without demanding much from the person using it.
Number 2. Presto 076012 22-inch electric griddle. Storage-conscious cooks will appreciate what Presto did here. This 22-inch griddle comes with detachable handles, so once you're done cooking, it slides into a standard 18-inch cabinet instead of hogging counter real estate. That's a genuinely useful touch for smaller kitchens that still want a full-size cooking surface for pancake mornings. The non-stick ceramic coating is PFAS-free and textured, which translates to easier batter release and less scrubbing afterward, a small detail that matters a lot when you're making a second or third round of pancakes. Presto's Control Master heat system automatically maintains your chosen temperature, taking the guesswork out of keeping every pancake the same golden color instead of a few burnt ones mixed with pale stragglers. The base itself is heavy cast aluminum, built to resist warping even after repeated high heat sessions, and it distributes heat evenly across the surface rather than leaving cold spots near the edges. Cleaning is handled by a slide-out drip tray that catches grease before it pools, and the entire base is fully immersible once you remove the heat control, making post-breakfast cleanup refreshingly simple. The main trade-off is that its features lean practical rather than flashy. There's no fancy probe display or trendy color lineup. But for anyone who wants dependable, evenly cooked pancakes plus a griddle that doesn't eat up permanent counter space, this one quietly checks every important box.
Number 3. Deluxe Everyday Electric Griddle. Versatility is the name of the game with this 20 by 10.5 inch griddle, which handles pancakes just as comfortably as it does quesadillas, burgers, or a quick weekday egg scramble. A heating probe gives you precise control over temperature, so pancake batter cooks evenly rather than scorching on one side while staying gummy on the other. The cooking plate itself is non-stick and PFOA-free, removable and dishwasher safe, which makes the after-breakfast cleanup almost painless compared to griddles that require careful hand washing. A heat-resistant drip tray catches grease before it reaches your countertop, keeping things tidy without extra effort on your part. One of its more appealing traits is speed. Plug it in, set your temperature, and it's ready to cook within minutes, which is a real plus on busy mornings when nobody wants to wait around. Dash also leans into personality here, offering the griddle in aqua, black, gray, and red, making it a genuinely thoughtful gift for a wedding or new apartment. The package includes anti-slip feet for stability, plus a recipe book and database access for those wanting inspiration beyond basic pancakes. At 1500 watts, it has enough power for consistent results without being the most heavy-duty option on this list.
Its slightly smaller surface than some rivals means very large batches take a bit longer, but for everyday use and multi-purpose cooking, it's a reliable, colorful choice.
Number 4. Bella XL Electric Ceramic Titanium Griddle. Flipping pancakes without a mess is where this Bella model quietly shines, thanks to a built-in ledge with a backstop along the base specifically designed to make flipping easier and cleaner. The 1500-watt heating system pairs with cool touch handles so you can maneuver the griddle safely even mid-cook. A removable temperature probe with a simple dial lets you dial in precise heat, which matters when you're chasing that perfect golden pancake color instead of guessing and hoping. What sets this griddle apart on a technical level is its ceramic non-stick coating, reinforced with titanium, claimed to be 8 times more durable than standard non-stick surfaces, and capable of cooking up to 30% faster. That speed boost is a genuine advantage for anyone making large pancake batches on a tight morning schedule. The coating is also free of lead and cadmium, addressing health-conscious buyers who want assurance about what's touching their food. Titanium reinforcement additionally means the surface resists scratching better over time, which extends the griddle's usable life compared to griddles that degrade after a year of regular use. Bella backs this model with a broader catalog of kitchen appliances, suggesting a company invested in small appliance reliability rather than a one-off product. The specifics on cooking surface dimensions aren't as clearly spelled out as some competitors, which might leave size-focused buyers wanting more detail before purchasing. Even so, between the flip-friendly design and faster cook times, it's a strong pick for pancake enthusiasts who value efficiency.
Number 5. Martha Stewart Electric Griddle. Generous surface space defines this griddle right out of the gate, with 22 by 12 inches of cooking room that can handle multiple pancakes alongside up to 15 eggs or a batch of fajitas without crowding anything together. An embedded heating element paired with a built-in temperature probe delivers rapid, even heat, which matters enormously for pancakes, since uneven heating is usually what causes uneven browning or raw centers. The ceramic non-stick coating is PFAS-free and allows food to release effortlessly, sparing you the frustration of torn or stuck pancake edges. An easy-to-use dial makes temperature adjustments intuitive, so switching from a low pancake setting to something hotter for searing doesn't require fumbling with confusing controls. Cleanup is straightforward too, since both the griddle surface and drip tray are dishwasher safe once the probe is detached, and the removable drip tray itself keeps grease from pooling and making a mess of your countertop. Running at 1500 watts, it offers dependable restaurant-style heating without needing a commercial-grade setup. As part of the broader Martha Stewart Kitchen Electrics lineup, it carries a polished, thoughtful design sensibility that fits well in kitchens where aesthetics matter alongside function. The griddle's larger footprint does mean it demands more storage or counter space than some competitors, so smaller kitchens should measure first. Overall, though, for anyone regularly cooking big pancake batches or full breakfast spreads, this model delivers strong, even results with minimal fuss. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.